All right, so we're trying to do an application problem where we have Mike who wants to build a sailboat. So you can see his sailboat design right there. And the scale drawing is shown below, and we're asked to find the values of x and y. So you can see we have two different right triangles right here. We have the smaller one, and we have a larger one. And so we have some pieces of information here. So I kind of drew it over here so you can see it a little bit more decomposed. So this piece here, you can see very closely if you look at it, there's a line right here and there's a line right here. That indicates that these two pieces are the exact same size, as you can see right here on my little drawing. And that means that that is an isosceles triangle because you do have the two equal sides. So whether it's the A or the B, I usually just call it the A squared. We will have two A's this time. So this would be considered A, and this is also the same thing, so that would be A. So instead of A squared plus B squared equals C squared this time, we have an A square plus another A square, which equals our C square, which is 10. So we have two A squares here this time. It's a little bit different than our normal situation. And then we have 100 times 100, which is, 10 times 10, which is 100. And next thing I would do is to divide both sides by 2, get that 2 out of there. Trying to get everything away from that A. And so we're going to kind of working our way down little by little. 100 divided by 2 is 50. And then our last step would be to square root both sides. And for this, we would get an approximate answer. Again, this would be approximate because 50 square rooted is not going to be, it's not a perfect square. And again, let me just show you on your calculator how you would do this. This is a different calculator than the one I have at home. So we are going to take the square root button, which is the second button on this calculator, and then this little x square button right here. That gives us a square root symbol. And then we do 50, and then we just hit enter. So we get 7.07. So roughly 7.1. We're going to round that to. So it's about 7.1, and we are talking in this case about feet. So that means that our side length here is about 7.1 feet for each of these sides. So that would help me with this problem. And so we're looking to find out the values of x and y. So we did just solve for the x. That actually was x right here. So that is the x value, which is 7.1. I'm just going to write it up here. And I'm going to show you in the second video, or the next part of this video, I will show you how to find your y value. And again, if you want more questions like these, find these on my YouTube, my TikTok, and my Instagram at YouWantAlgebra, and they are located in the Pythagorean theorem section.